Alright, so this is your flight safety brief now. Part of the aircraft, because once the aircraft is spooled up and actually operational, you can't see that tail rotor. It's gonna be...
Alright, cool.
Alright. Alright, guys. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Welcome to the party. Perfect. Hi, Mom. Who wants to shoot first? So I'm going to have you load first, ma'am. Come on up with it. Don't touch that gun. She's super hot.
Okay.
You're all the way right behind Bradley. Your seatbelt's already at the end.
Yeah, it fell right down there.
Perfect. Alright, brother, you're next. You're in that seat right there. Alright, folks, seatbelts are just like the airlines. Cabin weapons are clear.
Before takeoff is good. Clear right now.
Clear. There's a Walmart bag full of grenades underneath your seat. If you miss, we'll just start throwing grenades.
Okay.
It'll be fun.
It's my first time doing this too, so
Remember,
we'll cut each other some slack today.
throw the pin, throw the grenade outside, not throw the pin and then hold the grenade. It's pretty simple.
Really easy?
It'll be fine.
Okay.
Alright. It's off 10 o'clock. You see the targets for the sandbags. The line right down. Give me some gas. Remember, nice and long. Bottom. Good. Good, man. Good. 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 Hit that airplane. Get triggered. Get triggered.
Roger, Holden. Good on the top.
Run him. Good. Good.
You're a shooter.
Alright, man, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Kick your left leg out. Right hand in that pistol grip. Left hand right here. Hold down with your left hand. See that? Yep. There we go. Red dot. You got it?
Yep.
Targets in front of white sandbags. 3, 2, 1. Good. Good. Next. Good job.
Seem to be doing just fine. God damn.
Hit that airplane up there. Use that red dot. There we go. Now follow the cliff line to the right. There's another target in front of a wall. Right here, next. Down here, down here, down here. You see him?
Oh,
Hit
there you
him.
There you go.
Now this guy down here, give me everything you got. This guy in the clear.
Nice.
go.
Good job.
Very good.
Are we okay with the rear count?
That was a more...
Are we-
nice and wide.
Good. Wise at 12 o'clock. We're just putting a rope off the side of the helicopter and have you rappel it down. Good fun.
We already did the practical, so all you got now is just paperwork, and then you're good.
It's fine.
We'll send you right over. Over. Fun.
Thank you very much.
Stay out of trouble.
And then you're going to pass off the headset to the next shooters.
Awesome.
Straightforward. We're going to let you guys get a few rounds on semi-auto to kind of get a feel for the recoil, and we'll click you over to full auto. When you guys are shooting full auto, you really want to lean into the gun. It's going to want to push it back. So yeah, we'll get started here.
Right-handed. Gun's yours, brother.
He's kind of standing up straight, leaning into it some more. Bend at the waist. Stance. The waist a little more. Fighter shoot. You all right? Go ahead. That was fun.
Now, bring your head forward. You all right now?
Yep.
Bang him.
So you guys been staying pretty busy through this whole COVID
Cool.
thing?
Gun's
Shut
yours.
down?
From beginning of March to all came and so you said Barrett M107 50 caliber anti-material rifle. It's not really a sniper rifle, or at least we're not supposed to call it that, because it wasn't designed to be shot at people. Designed to be shot at unarmored vehicles, heavy equipment, mortar tubes, really good at that. Hit, man.
Is it a gas operated action or a recoil? Gas.
1, 2, 3. You are low. Good hit.
That's a hit.
There we go.